this video, I'm going to be talking you through one of my favorite houseplants, the Spathiphyllum, also known as peace lily. Its easy to grow nature makes it the most ideal starter houseplant and a perfect gift. Not only does it bring greenery indoors, but it can also enhance any room, and they are brilliant air purifiers. They have these amazing glossy leaves and these fantastic pure white flowers that are actually spades. In the wild, they found on the forest floor where they receive dappled sunlight and consistent moisture. Replicating these conditions in your home is the key to getting your peace lily to be happy and healthy. They do grow best partial shade, so an east facing window is ideal. Make sure it's not too shady as they might not flower as well as they could do. They do best in temperatures upwards of 21 degrees, so keep them away from cold drafts and windows during cold weather. Repotting annual in the spring is fantastic for the health of a peace lily as the plants will really appreciate the fresh soil. Wait until the roots have completely filled the original pot and then pop them onto a different pot. Cut back the faded flowers once they have started to do their thing, as the more you cut the heads, the more flowers you will receive. It's best to allow the plant to completely dry out before watering and maintain a high humidity by misting. You can even put moist and tray of gravel underneath as that will help humidity. It's best not to water with cold water as this can shock the plant. You can, if you want to, also clean the leaves with a damp cloth to stop the buildup of dust. That keeps them looking really nice and tidy. The best type of compost use is a well draining multi purpose compost, ideal for houseplant, and you can apply a liquid fertilizer once a month. All parts of the peace lily are poisonous, and they may cause stomach and respiratory irritation if ingested in large amounts. So, do keep them out of reach of children and pets. Check out this video where we explore top 10 best indoor plants for your home. Thanks for watching.